All right, guys, so we're back with the pre-treatment process, and we're going to be using our dual-sided Nulife eraser. We got a gradient side, and we also have a gum side. The gradient side is used to remove dirt, debris, and to also remove very stubborn stains. You're going to be also using this to soften the suede as well. It's very important that you rid the suede of as much dirt as you can and also soften it. So real quick, let's get right into it. We're going to focus on each panel. We're going to do one panel at a time and remove as much dirt as we possibly can. And keep in mind, guys, these soles were already cleaned on the video prior. If you want to learn how to actually clean the soles without wetting the uppers, tune into our IGTV video that's posted up there. But as you can see, we're using the eraser, the gradient side, to remove as many stains as we can. You can see some of the dirt falling off of the suede, but there's still like embedded dirt or stains that may be left inside the sneaker. We have other pre-treat tools that we can try to loosen that up with. And we also have the Jet Suede solution to attack that. But right now, this is like your bulldozer tool right here. This is gonna knock off a majority of the heavy dirt and stains on your sneaker or on the suede to get it prepped for the next tool that you will need in the pre-treatment. All right. Like I said, we're gonna focus on one panel at a time. You wanna get a precision, you wanna clean with precision. You wanna get a very detailed clean of the sneaker to ensure that they're clean from all angles. When you look at it using your Nulife eye, you're gonna be able to see that that sneaker is clean all the way around, all right? Moving on to the toe tip area. And we're going left and right. We're going up and down. You can go in a circular motion. It doesn't really matter. You just want to make sure that you dislodge the dirt from the surface while simultaneously softening the suede. It's the main purpose for the pre-treat. Remove dirt, soften the suede. Remove dirt, soften the suede. This isn't stressing the suede. This isn't hurting the suede. Suede is best cleaned dry. We're going to pre-treat our purple swoosh after we pre-treat the entire shoe, because the swoosh is purple. You don't want to transfer that color onto the lighter color suede. So work your way around that using your eraser. Nulife dual-sided eraser. This is available on our website, nulifekicks.com. If you guys have suede but don't have an eraser, that's a problem, man. You're gonna need an eraser to actually maintain your suede efficiently. And as you can see, already looking pretty good. All of this debris here, this is just residue from the suede. I mean, excuse me, not the suede, but from the eraser, as you can see. We're gonna be brushing that away with our hog hair brush. All right, guys, I'm gonna continue erasing this sneaker, and we're gonna be back with the second part of the pre-treat stage. Stay tuned.